Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We are on the way to work currently. Today's job, I believe, is an ash tree that I looked at a couple of weeks ago for a friend of mine. Nothing, it's not too technical, but there's one side, there's a couple of phone lines which are relatively close, so that I'll have to chuck past them. And then the other side is like a completely pristine, immaculate, very well-maintained garden, so really no scope for just slashing stuff out. So it shouldn't be a hard or technical day, but it's definitely going to be like a time-consuming, intense day. So we should get it done, no problems. But yeah, it's going to take some time. So let's head to my friend's house. I believe he's probably already got everything kitted up. He's probably already bought the coffees. He knows it's going to be a bad day. So yeah, let's see you up there. Right, made it to today's job. Got this monster ash tree. It's looks pretty big on the camera, but it's actually just more leggy and skinny than anything, so shouldn't be horrific. But get this side done, move out onto the road, get it down, and then yeah, tackle the stem. See you up there. I thought you loved maintaining the assholes. I thought you yeah, quite eager to really.
This is only dead, but very good. Would have actually been easier if it was tight. Ready? Fucking mental. Lazy. 2 meals. I was tripling up. No damage, nothing. We'll leave the 10-foot stem. Running out of time. Sorry, I'm just eating my lunch at 4 o'clock. Run out of stem. They'll run out of time, so guys will pop back another day and finish the stem up. Might be me, might not. And we're done. Sorry about the shaky camera. Sorry roads for you. Keep this short and sweet because it's been quite a long video, I'm sure. Pretty eventful day. A couple of different types of rigging, and probably stop filming on the main stem just because I think the camera the camera died. It wouldn't actually record, so hopefully it's recorded all this footage. So but yeah, did a few little chunks of wood and then called it a day. But got there in the end. There was zero room for drop, and when I say you could not drop a twig, there was pristine flower beds, amazingly well kept grass, absolutely everything you could really imagine. And sorry, it's reversing back out someone's way. And then on the other side there was the area. So where the area is a bit of a no man's land. So there's no internet. The internet is only because of this one set of phone lines that come through. So I think about
10, 20 houses would be without any contact to the outside world if we had hit that line. So yeah, pretty important we didn't, but not a single bit of damage. Absolutely immaculate finish. Yeah, pretty good job all in. So that's it. You've been watching The Real Tree Guy. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the morning.